Hi Vogue. It's Barbie Ferreira. I just woke up. Let's spend 24 hours together. First thing I like to do in the morning is take a bath to kind of prepare me to wake up because I have a very hard time waking up. An extremely hard time. So let's get into it, right? Here I am in my silly little bath, and I don't know why I have to take a bath every morning. I think I have to take a bath every morning and every night. Something about it calms my nerves, gets me ready for the day. I like to put this guy in the bath, you know, and I just kind of like pump it in the water. I smell it. I get ready for the day, set my intentions. It's a good time to just have with yourself in the morning before bleep hits the fan, you know what I mean? Today, I'm gonna have pretty much a very typical Tuesday weekday in quarantine. I'm going to make myself some coffee. I'm gonna get some food at the grocery store, at the market. I'm going to go see my house, which is being renovated. And we're gonna go probably on a little hike. It's gonna be fun. I have a missing button, everyone. We're being very real right now. I love a matching pajama set. Anything that is like monotone, I'm into it. Online shopping is my life. Oh my God, wait. Look at that. Or even like any of this stuff, like obviously online, you know what I mean? It's honestly a curse and a blessing. All right, let's ground her. I grew up drinking very strong Brazilian coffee with a lot of milk, very sweet. So I try to make a little, like a little bit more of like an everyday version of it, which I could do like a strong coffee, like a dark roast. I honestly got this recipe from a TikTok. Ooh, nice. Ooh. I'm gonna get changed really quickly and then we're gonna head out. She's ready. It's a little chilly outside, so we're gonna put on a little jacket. Let's start the day. A little lip gloss. Ready to go. See you at my house. Al's car broke down, so we're borrowing our friend's car, and it's a very old little Mercedes, so we're waiting for her to warm up a little bit so we can get to the house, see what's going on in there. This is my house. As you can see, we're putting in some windows, we're making it cute, we're, you know. The great outdoors. Look at it. It's my closet. It's gonna have all my clothes on the wall. I'm gonna have a little vanity over here. I'm gonna have a little seating area. It's gonna be really sick. I'm really excited. So this is like a very big step for me, and I feel very adult, and I'll never stop talking about how adult I am. It's like just me basically being like, I pay my taxes, I'm a property owner, now I'm an adult, which in reality, very much not, because I still, you know, spend most of my day on TikTok. Let's go upstairs. It's a little, just watch your step. This is what my bedroom looks like. We're not doing anything to this room actually, so let's see. There's a lot of trash. We took out a fireplace. I feel like such a like Architectural Digest mom right now. We have these beautiful doors. I just open. Well, they should open. Well, they don't. This room is, in particular is gonna be kind of like Victorian, like camp. Like I love camp, so like everything is a little campy. My bathroom is gonna be kind of like a spa. Downstairs, we're doing kind of like a 70s groovy kind of thing for like the TV den in the bathroom. I love fun furniture, so this is gonna be really fun for me to decorate. I'll take you to the other side if you want. And that's my house. Here with Ben. Hi, Ben.
Hi.
We're gonna go get some fish at the fish market and grab a pound of whatever looks good today. See how we can cook it. Yeah. See you there. See you at the fish market. We're here. We're gonna go wait in line if there is a line. I actually didn't see one.
I don't think there's a line.
Wow, what a lucky day. Let's go. There is most definitely a line. My fish market haul. I got a pound of this New Zealand salmon. I'm re-upping on my sesame oil because I just ran out. I got 2 whole lemons. We're gonna go drop off the fish in a fridge and then we're gonna go hike. The streets of Los Angeles. We just got here. We're on a little hikey poo. It's gonna be fun. All right, going down the hill now. Got a little post-hike glow. And I'm heading home to go marinate some fish and to wind down. See you back at home. Okay, so we're back home and I'm gonna marinate my salmon and then we're gonna put it in the fridge for like an hour or 2. My mom and my aunt are both chefs and I thought that it skipped a generation. But in fact, I like cooking. I learned how to cook this year and I'm still messing up quite often. Like that is the salmon. We'll see if it works. We will definitely see if it works. These dried chives I've never tried, so let's see. This. Now that's the good one. My grandma would always just be crushing garlic at all times, so it makes me feel like her. And now we're gonna salt, because seasoning is everything. She looks pretty. Into the fridge. Watch me make a kale salad. We're gonna massage it. It's gonna be sexy. Massaging the kale makes all the difference. I refuse to eat your unmassaged kale. You gotta like get that like bitterness out. Now I just gotta assemble it, so we'll wait until the salmon's almost ready. Let's get Miss Salmon. Oh, she's a big salmon too. What I'm looking forward to in 2021 is moving into my house, hopefully acting again. I'm looking forward to shooting Euphoria season 2. I didn't really know Euphoria would be like this big thing. I kind of thought it would be like more of like a cult favorite, but I didn't think people were gonna get it at such a mainstream level. But like people love the show and they get it, which is, you know, everything we hoped for. The thing about Euphoria is that the scripts are always being rewritten and written and rewritten, so I truly don't know what's gonna happen in season 2 at all. My guess is as good as yours, truly. So please stop. Like the comments that are just like leak season 2. I'm like, we haven't shot it yet. How could we leak it? Boom, done. It's ready. Ooh. Don't do that at home. Do not do that at home. Yeah, looks pretty done to me. I'm gonna let it sit for a second. A little something like that. I'm gonna plate the salmon. I kind of like the tip of it more. Oh no, the skin didn't come. I love the skin. Solid. Off we go. It's pretty. Oh my gosh, it's so soft. Yeah. I did that. All right, guys, I'm now in the tub once again, ending this where I started. I take a shower, so then that just led to me soaking in the tub for a second after with some bath salts and a little candle lit. I hope you enjoyed spending the day with me. It's been very fun, so thank you.